How to fix Netflix account on hold problem with lost payment. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can fix Netflix account on hold problem with lost payment. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you open up suddenly your Netflix account and you have this little pop-up that says Netflix account on hold problem with the lost payment, why does this happen? This happens when Netflix actually recognizes an issue with your payment method or the card that you've added. And to fix this, most likely the problem is not with Netflix but the payment method that you personally added yourself. And to review this, you can just open up your Safari browser, then go to netflix.com, then make sure to sign into your account. Then once you're signed into the account, you just want to make sure to tap the three horizontal lines icon from the top left. Once you tap the three lines icon from the top left, over there you'll find this option called account. So just make sure to tap the account button. Once you tap on the account option, you're going to see this type of interface where you just need to scroll and then look for this option called manage billing information. So just tap on manage payment info here. Then you'll be able to see the current payment method that I've added, and in case you think there is an issue with it, you can just try to contact the card issuer or the holder of the card. Or else what you can try to do is just try to add a secondary payment method by tapping the add payment method option here, and then making sure to go ahead and enter a new credit or debit card or even your PayPal account. Then once you've done that, your Netflix membership should continue again after this thing will be complete. And this way you can go ahead and then fix the Netflix account on hold problem. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.